So guys, let's go and create a page together from scratch. So right here, you need to know and understand that if you are to create a page, you cannot do this on the normal Facebook app and it will be done easily. But where you can create your page easily and fast is on Facebook Lite. So just log into your Facebook Lite, and if you don't have it, download it from Play Store, and you'll be having something like this. You can see my Facebook that has Facebook logo with light on it. Open your Facebook Lite, then you come to these three lines at your right hand side. Click on it. It will take you to this interface where you click on pages. You can see we have groups, we have live videos, we have pages, we have birthday, meta verify, blah blah blah, all of this. Click on pages and it will take you down to this place. Once you get to this interface, come to this create at your left hand side where you have the plus sign. Click on it, then it will take you here where you click on get started. Once you get to this place, it will ask you what do you want to name this page. So the name you want people to see your page has is what you should input here. So for the purpose of this video, let me input Oliver story. Once you input that, you click on next. Then it will take you here where you need to pick the category that is best for that page. The category means what you want people to find this page in search results. What your page is all about. Is it about lifestyle? Is it about music? Is it about band? Is it about history? Is it about health? Is it about marketing or whatsoever? For this, I will be using digital creator, because as a digital creator, the page can serve so many purposes. You can use it, you can interswitch the page on whatever you input on that. So once I input that, you click on next, then it will take you straight to the next interface. And here, boom, do you have a website for Oliver story? No, I don't have a website. If you have a website, let's assume you are creating it for your business, you enter the website link, you add the link so that people can visit your website or blog from the page. But since you don't have this, just go and click next, and boom, you are almost done. The next thing is for you to add image to this page. Use image that represent what this page is about, such as a logo. This will appear in search results. So for this Oliver story, you need to add an image. So just click on this box here. It will pop up this interface. Let's assume you want to take a picture of yourself. Just click on take a picture, and if you are to upload a photo, come here and it will take you straight down to your gallery where you can pick that picture that you want to make use of. So let me use this beautiful babe as the page picture. Then it will load up. Just give it time. You can see that babe is already there. So that is how you pick the image that you want to use. Then you come right down to this profile also, and also click on the profile to upload that particular picture that you might want to make use of. So for this, let me see what I can use. For now, I will still use this, so later on you can edit, because I don't want this video to be too long. Let me still use the same picture. Then you allow it to process and it will be added as your profile picture. So your page will be having both the picture. You can see that once you've done this, you click on done, and then boom, you are almost done. Stay connected when you are out of data. It says when your data pack blah 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 blah. Once the data, you will automatically switch back to full Facebook experience. You can just click on continue, and boom, we just created a page. It's that simple, straightforward, and easy. So if you have to create your page for your business, for a new page for your story or whatsoever, the easiest way to create that page is to use your Facebook Live. I hope this video has been helpful. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, follow and like for more, subscribe and turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I drop more tips on how to grow on Facebook and build your business brand. You might be wondering, who is this person? I am Deborah Rafi, the brain behind Sholadrum 247. I am a content creator, an online coach, a business registration expert for your business, CAC, SCOM, SMEDAN, trade marketing, whatsoever, either for learning or for service. Feel free to reach out to me using the link in the description. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. But before then, if you have a question, don't forget to drop it in the comment section. Bye bye.